Good morning, church. Good morning, Papa. August 2023, August 9 to be precise. On our way home, we were kidnapped. Four kidnappers. They took us to the bush. On our way to the bush, they shot my husband. They stabbed him like 3 times on his knee, 3 times on his shoulder, and they slit his hand. So he was in the car, he was bleeding. They took us to the bush. They took money from different accounts that I had and sent it to one. They took the car, they took the transfer pins and everything. They took the car because my husband sells cars, so that was a new car. The papers for the car was in the car. Everything was in the car. They took it, then they tied us up, our mouths, our hands, and left us in the bush at midnight, and they left. While we were there at the bush, mind you, my husband just started streams of June, July. He was there and he was saying, I will not bury and I will not be buried. I was filled with shock. Because I was like, I know nothing will happen to me, I'm on the altar. But when I saw it, but I heard him say, I will not bury, I will not be buried. Then I joined him. We started saying, I will not bury, I will not be buried. They left us in the bush. They left with the car and everything. How we untied ourselves, just both of us. And this bush is like, we were scared for snakes, scorpions, or anything. How we untied ourselves, I still don't know. We go to the road, then we saw a police e-logs. They helped us and took us to the hospital. On getting to FMC Jabi, my husband was bleeding. So we're there. We figured out a way to contact our friends from Instagram. A doctor gave us their phone. We got our friend's number from Instagram. They came from Gwarimpa. We're still there bleeding, no. They came from Gwarimpa. They came, then they went to get card and make payments for them to stitch my husband's wounds and my wound. The doctor was like, okay, quickly, take his blood sample to the blood bank so they can get blood. This man is losing blood. They took his blood, they did it, they ran the test, and they came back. They were like, he does not need blood, though. The doctor said, the blood that this man has lost that I've seen, this man needs blood. They said he does not need blood, his blood is okay. We were there. The highlight of the testimony was that we were laughing. In that stitches, in that pain, we were smiling. Me and my husband were gisting. His friends were looking at us. Are you okay? They did everything. They stitched us up. The bullets, they didn't find the bullet in his body. We didn't find the bullet in the car. So that happened. They stitched us up. And we're like, we want to go. The doctor said, you look strong. You can go if you want to go. But if anything happens, come back. We left. We went home. Exactly 1 month. This thing happened August 9th. September 9th, randomly we received a call that they found the car. Mind you, this car is not registered. The papers of the car is inside the car. The car is a car you see every day. So what are the odds of getting that car back? They called that they've seen the car in Kaduna. They've seen the car. Then the money they took from our account, they were not able to take it out of the account. In 1 week, they took out the stitches. The wounds were healing so fast. My husband was like, these wounds are drying up. It was like, my husband is not leaping. With the bullet wound on his leg, he's not leaping. He works perfectly well. Before the end of August, we didn't look like people that were kidnapped. We were very fine. We got the car back. I gave birth March 20th. And the day I gave birth, it was, oh Lord, show me mercy. And I gave birth in the morning by 7. So all of us were on the altar giving birth. So after I gave birth, I saw that my baby's leg was like curved. And they said it's talapis, club foot, that the baby's leg was like curved. So the doctor said, no, it's not a big deal. We'll put a cast, that's like POP, on the leg. They'll do 6 casts. Then after 6 casts, then they will do, if the leg does not straighten, they'll have to do a surgery. That after the surgery, we'll have to wear a special shoe for 3 years. And I was like, everybody has been gifting me shoe. Who will wear the shoe? What will I do with the shoe that I'm getting? So we got the first cast. They did the first cast on my baby's leg when it was 4 days old. We carried the cast with a royal band. We carried it. So he had the cast for 1 week, but the cast was costed for 120K every week. So we moved hospital, went to FMC. We did the second cast there. That was the time Pastor was talking about, you cannot help God. God will do it by himself. I held the word. If Pastor talks about breast cancer, I will say my baby's leg will straighten. Pastor says somebody have headache. Me, I will say my baby's leg is straighten. After the second cast, myself and my brother, we went to the hospital to take it out so they can put a new one. And we got there. I did not keep quiet. I was telling everybody there, my son will not wear another cast. He is done. Everybody was like, just 2 that he has had. No, me, I've done 6. I said, my baby will not wear another cast. Then the doctor asked me, what about the shoe? I said, he will not wear that ugly shoe. I got home. When I'm bathing my baby, I will speak the word. I said, I cannot help God. My baby does not need a cast to get a straight leg. God will perfect it on his own. I cannot help God. Some people were suggesting, get the shoe. I said, I will not help God. My baby is walking. His legs are straight. People thought he will have bow legs. My baby don't have bow legs. His legs are straight. That's my baby. My baby walks perfectly well. My baby is here with my husband, and I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful to the fact that God has shown me great mercy. What God cannot do,